Dogecoin is going absolutely crazy. We have some breaking news for Dogecoin. Ferrari begins accepting Dogecoin for its luxury car payments in the US. So very soon, those of you who are holding a lot of Dogecoin can buy a Ferrari with your Dogecoin when Dogecoin goes up. Now, what is going on in the crypto markets? Well, the market is extremely bullish. If we take a look at Dogecoin, it's up 3% right now. Broke out of this 0.083 cent region, and we are heading up to 9 cents, which I said is extremely likely. So we're coming to 9 cents very soon. When Dogecoin breaks above 9 cents and holds, we are likely to test 10 cents, which is going to be potentially a 16% move. This can happen very soon, but everything depends on Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is consolidating, is forming lower highs after this consolidation. Here's a lower high here. We're starting to pull back and reject a little bit. It doesn't necessarily mean too much right now. Ethereum is making new highs, $2,900 in this short term. In the current moment, in the last literally 5 minutes, the market is kind of pulling back a little bit. It looks like Ethereum could be rejecting. Whenever we have altcoins leading the market while Bitcoin's going down, that's typically a bearish sign for the short term that we will probably get a pullback from Bitcoin, which will bring cryptos down a little bit with them. Then we also have funding rates really high. So the amount of leverage in this market is extremely high. And I think we're going to get a funding reset, which means that we will probably get some type of flash dump here very soon, which is going to be very likely. And the stock market, cryptos follow the stock market. And what we are also seeing with that is that we are forming lower highs with the S&P 500, and we got a strong rejection plus this consolidation here at the support. So I'm thinking we are going to get a pullback here very soon in the short term, but this is just the short term. I'm just talking about maybe this week. But if we get any type of big dump or big crash, I'm going to be buying more Dogecoin. I'm going to be buying more cryptos. I'm super excited. I'm super patient. I sold the majority of my holdings last week. Last week, I sold the majority of my holdings, and I'm waiting to get in on a dip before the next major big move up, which is probably going to be taking place in the beginning of March. The first 2 weeks of March, I think, is going to be absolutely crazy. So we should correct from here very soon. And this next dip, this next crash or correction is going to be our last opportunity to buy cryptos before they really take off. Mark my words. Understand this very clearly. This next big crash and dip might be the lowest we will ever see cryptos ever again, because we are about to enter into the biggest bull run cryptos have ever seen. And I'm thinking that it's going to be taking place very soon. So just understand that, please. Dogecoin is still looking very strong despite everything I am saying. I told everyone to buy around this 7 cent region. I told also a bunch of people to buy at this 5 cent region. We have bought very cheap. And in my Patreon, we got in very early. And I'm thinking that this is a very good level. Despite everything I'm mentioning about Bitcoin and Ethereum kind of correcting, Dogecoin has already corrected. It hasn't really moved much off the bottom here. And even if you buy now, it might correct another 10%, 15%, something like that. At the max, I'm thinking, it's not financial advice, but I'm thinking that 8 cents is a really good level to buy Dogecoin long term for this bull run. Because we will probably see Dogecoin get up to like 30 cents, 40 cents, maybe this year, maybe next year, potentially even $1 depending on what happens with Dogecoin. But Ferrari accepting Dogecoin is a massive move for Dogecoin and altcoins and cryptos overall. So things are about to get heated up. Now make sure you guys are in my Patreon where I'm giving you guys calls and plays to cryptos that make massive moves. You guys can make insane profits. We bought Bitcoin at $39,000 just a couple of weeks ago. We bought Ethereum at $2,200. Everyone's up 40%, plus they were using leverage. So many people are they're up hundreds of percents in profits in just the last 2 weeks. This is incredible. So I have a whole bunch of projects that I'm going to be announcing that you will have early access to these projects and these coins that make incredible gains. You can also follow my futures signals every single week. We are making money every single week. I'm a day trader, so we're trying to get trades where you guys can profit at least 1 or 2 times a week. Have immediate access by joining the Patreon. Also, Algosniper is giving us a buy alert on the 6-hour time frame for Dogecoin. It's looking very bullish. You guys need to use Algosniper. It's going to help you to understand for any coin before it takes off when to buy. You do not want to miss, especially in this bull run, this indicator, which you guys can try today for just $1 at algosniper.com. As well, if you guys want to be trading Dogecoin and any crypto up to 150x leverage, you need to be using Blowfin, where you guys can make incredible amounts of money on the platform by using leverage. It's an incredible tool. It's only recommended for traders. Now, if you guys open up an account, they're going to give you $100 today. If you open up deposit crypto on the account and make one trade using the link below to sign up. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.